Hello. Today I'm going to show you how you can install and completely configure Google Analytics 4 for your Shopify store in under 2 minutes with the completely free SlideRule Google Analytics 4 Shopify app now available in the Shopify App Store. Within 24 hours of installing this app, you're going to get all of the data you need to make decisions about how to improve your store's conversion rate in Google Analytics 4. So let's do it. Once I've installed the app, all I have to do is sign in with the Google profile that's connected to my Google Analytics account. Select the Google Analytics account I want to use. Select or create the Google Analytics 4 property I want to use. And select or create the data stream I want to use. And just like that, Shopify is now connected to Google Analytics 4. With 2 more clicks of the button, I can add custom definitions to Google Analytics. These are our recommended custom definitions, and I add them just like this. And we're done. After about 24 hours, you're going to start to see all the data you need to make decisions rolling into Google Analytics 4. You're going to get the revenue, you're going to get users, you're going to get sessions, you're going to get information about where your purchases are coming from, what sources of traffic are driving conversions. You're going to see which items are being viewed, which items are being added to the cart. You're going to see, of course, purchase data. That purchase data is sent server side. What that means is that you won't have duplicate transactions. You won't have missing transactions. You can see here that we are sending the actual transaction ID used by Shopify into Google Analytics, and we have no duplicate transactions. You're going to get all of this, including the complete e-commerce funnel. That's all of the events from viewing an item to adding to cart, all the way through payment, all the way through checkout, all of that, including all of the custom dimensions that I showed you earlier, all added to your Google Analytics account for free with our app. With this, you will be able to start using your data to make decisions instead of trying to find and track down tracking errors that make your data difficult to use. Thank you.